For those that might be considering, okay, how do we, what software should we use? We made a list here of like 5 different softwares that are available that like cater and have certain, functionality that's specific to adult daycare. StoryCare is owned by a good friend of mine named Cameron. We personally use My Adult Daycare, and we call it MAD because it will make you mad at times. So that's the abbreviation for it though. But they do a good job, and we've been using them for a little while now. WellSky, which actually is like kind of like a conglomerate, or it recently purchased a bunch of different healthcare related services in home care, assisted living, and then adult daycare. So they've kind of like purchased another software system, and now they've integrated it into their own, and that's called WellSky. They're a large company. Elder Suite, and then My Easy Care. These are 4 different programs that you could use to manage your members' like demographic information, any pertinent information that is specific to each of the members that might be coming to your adult daycare center. And that's going to allow you to do it in a HIPAA compliant way. And then all of them have a variety of different features that you might find useful. Some have integrated forms for people to use, when it comes to producing some of the electronic health records that you might need to have like on file for the state. There's ways that you can document your medications and the activities that you might do and plan those activities out, or even put together a calendar. Some even might have family portals. But these are probably the 5 most common. Obviously look into each of them, do your own due diligence, figure out what are those costs. Is it a monthly fee? Is it an upfront fee? Is there a setup fee? Things like that. So